This Captain twin bed comes with a Trundle bed and 3 storage drawers. The rolling wheels allow you to pull the Trundle out when you need it, and you can store the daily necessities in 3 large drawers. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Sturdy and durable. The whole frame is made of high-quality solid pine. The headboard and foot pedal increases the stability of the whole frame, enough to support children and adults under 220 pounds. You can use it for a long time. Number 2. Wide scenarios. The bed can be put in the guest room, and you can lie on it happily and comfortably. Also be placed in the guest room to entertain guests, so that your friends can spend a good time with you. Number 3. Quickly response. If there are any quality problems, we will provide free return or replacement within 30 days and free replacement within 1 year. If any questions, please feel free to contact us. We are always at your service. Number 4. Dimension information. Headboard and footboard height: 36.5 inches. Mattress platform: 76 inches length by 39.3 inches width. Trundle: 75.5 inches width by 39.25 inches depth by 8 inches height. Distance between lower rail and floor: 19.5 inches. Easy to assemble, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.